What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Chanel Haley here, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing an apartment tour for you guys. So welcome to my crib. Okay, so when you first enter in the door, it is the kitchen. Excuse the little things that we have in here. We're starting to move some stuff, but I wanted to make this video before we got too much stuff in here. But here is the kitchen. And let's see, I'm gonna show y'all the master bathroom, well, master bedroom last, but I'm just gonna show y'all. So when you come in, it's the kitchen, and we have these three closets. It's a lot of storage space. So much storage space. Here's the pantry. And then here's like a coat closet. Let me set my jacket off. So here is the living room. I really like this area here. The shelving is so cute. But here is the living room. It's a pretty nice size. Out here is the balcony. It's cold, so we're not gonna be out there for too long. Okay, let's come in. Alright, so let's go down here. And here goes, our cute little hallway. It's the washer and dryer in here. I'm not gonna show that because, whatever. So we're gonna take a pause here because I'm excited about this room. I'm so excited. I've needed my own office. I've needed my own space, and I finally have got it. So here is this is gonna be my office. It is such a nice space. It has the double doors to the closet. This closet is actually pretty big. A nice size closet. The only thing that I really don't like about this room is there's not a lot of natural lighting. There's not a lot of windows or anything, but we'll make it work. So let's come. The next room I'm gonna show you is gonna be the girls' room. So here goes the room. Now this room has the best lighting in the house. Like, look at all these windows. I'm obsessed with this room. I think we need to change it. I think this needs to be my office. No? Talk.
You want to smoke?
I said you don't want to talk.
I heard you crouch.
You don't think this should be my office?
No.
Look at the lighting in here.
Yeah, the shelves need the lighting.
No, they don't.
It's two of them.
Okay.
Bigger closet.
But they're not even gonna use that.
Yeah, but they got big toys, that dollhouse and things of that nature.
We'll eventually talk them into it. So, we'll just continue. So let's show you their closet. This is a great closet. Look how I fit in this closet. It's so big, so spacious. It has shelves. Like, I love the closet space in this apartment. All right, and here is the girls. Oh, I look at myself in the mirror. Maybe I should. Was my hair cuter, back or forward? Back or forward?
I did.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the girls' bathroom. It's a full tub and shower. Like, this apartment just has a lot of great space. A lot of great storage space, basically. And it has I didn't even notice this little window right here. But it has this little window. Okay, and show them the shower. This is the full bath and shower. A lot of drawer space. So much space. That's what we need. All right. Now, I I don't like to say master's bathroom. I'm just gonna say, I mean master, why I keep saying bathroom? I don't like to say master's bedroom because I just don't like it. I don't like the origin of the name. So we're just gonna call it the big bedroom. So come on. So here goes the master bedroom. I'm gonna start with the bathroom. Okay, here goes the bathroom. What really sold me, I don't know about Corey, but what really sold me is the double sinks because we need our own sinks. We need our own space. And like I said, this apartment has great storage space, the cabinets, perfect because I have a lot of junk. Has another closet in here.
Linen closet.
Oh, linen closet in this bathroom as well. Full shower, bath, you know, toilet. I'm excited. Okay, let's show you our closet. So here goes our closet. Corey is like, it's not big enough for all of our stuff, but I personally think it will be. It's pretty big. I mean, we have a lot of stuff, but it's mostly shoes that we have a lot of, not a lot of clothes. Well, you know, but that is the closet. I think it's a pretty good size. I like it. And I also like how it's like a hallway into our bedroom. I just think that's cute. All right, we got to get some sunlight in here, but here goes our bedroom. It is a great size. And what I love about this bedroom, what I love about this apartment is we get another balcony. Well, what you call it, a balcony? We get another balcony. It's cold out here, so we're not gonna be out here for too long, but so this is my first apartment and this is our first apartment together. Let's come back in here. That concludes my apartment tour. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be taking you on our journey of just finding furniture and decorating the place. We are very excited for this new journey. Thank you guys so much. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell notification so you know when I post. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this place. For this apartment, I'm not even gonna tell you guys the location that we're in. I just want you guys to leave a comment below and let me know how much you think this apartment is. All right.